Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the Minotaur Beetle in Heartopia. So to catch this beetle that has a gray color like this, you can go to Onsen Mountain, more precisely at the ruins area, and it will spawn from midnight until 6 p.m. So just avoid for the night time. And then it will spawn almost all weather at the sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just go to Onsen Mountain at the ruins area over here. Just go to this area and then in here just walk around until you spot this Minotaur Beetle. And you can also use the Insect Attractor or Sense Booster to increase your chance to get this beetle. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.